She's running. Man, I miss this old truck. Alright, I think the next step is going to be get the donor truck in here and get it all straight to pull the bed off. So, gotta put some air in one of the tires, it's got a slow leak, and go get everything out of the bed, leaves and stuff, and then pull the truck in. Come along. Just enough room. That'll do for now. Now, I'm gonna clean out the bed. Alright, I have not started or even turned the key in this truck in probably 6 months, so see what she does. What a shame, this battery's been in the truck since I got it, and it's been doing great. Looks like she might need a jump. Some idiot borrowed my jump box one time and broke the corner off of it, so I've been having to deal with that because you know how people are when they borrow stuff, they bring it back worse than they got it in the first place and don't offer to fix it. It's typical. Alright, let's see if that'll do the trick. That battery's really cooked. Alright, giving her the beans now. Let's see what she's got. I was going to drive out back to get this junk out of here, but since I'm waiting for it to charge, I guess I'll just unload it here. Well, while we're waiting for this to charge, I'll give you a quick little walk around. This is a 1980 C20 3/4 ton 2-wheel drive. Single cab, long bed, 4-speed, just like the other one. But 2-wheel drive, of course. This is going to be the body. Same basic setup. Small block 350. It's been a great old truck, had it for a while. But it's time to put it to better use. It's been sitting for a while, but interior is not too bad a shape. Seat, of course, needs to be redone. Standard flooring, no carpet. No headliner. I'm missing this piece, and of course the dash is cracked. But a good old truck. Hopefully I can put some life back into it. Let's try her now. Sounds like that power steering pump's a little low, but he's running. Burning a little bit of oil. She's running. Man, missed this old truck. That's clutch all the way out. Granny gear. Just idling. Thing hasn't seen the inside of a shop in a long time. I better cut it off. It's gonna smoke me out in here. But there she is. It's time to get this on that.